What is a preposition in English language? Do you know what links a cat to a box, or a clock to time? That's the job of a preposition. Let's explore how these small words do big work in sentences. Definition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It often tells us about place, time, or direction. Examples of preposition. The book is on the table. On tells us that the book is resting above and touching the surface of the table. She is going to school. To connects the action of going with the destination school. They sat under the tree. Under tells us that they were sitting in a position that is beneath the tree. Conclusion. So remember, prepositions connect words and show relationships of place, time, and direction. If this helped you understand prepositions, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar videos.